Hello everyone, welcome back to the Digital Marketing Software channel. Today, I will introduce you to a software tool that supports you to comment automatically. If you are interested in the tool software, please contact below the description. This is the main interface of the new MKT Care software. The software will help you manage multiple Facebook accounts. I will use a series of Facebook accounts to spam. Put comments in groups. Here you go to Viral Marketing. Select the comment group feature. The first step is to select the content you want to spam. At the bottom is the configuration. You set up the configuration according to your needs. I will set up according to my machine configuration. Next, you need to add a group you would list. These are the groups you want to spam. At the bottom of this section, select a few options such as waiting for the photo to load, allowing comments to duplicate content. The last step is to select your Facebook account and click Start. The software will open a series of Chrome windows for you. Every Chrome window will be a Facebook account, so you can see that these accounts are going into these groups. Start posting comments automatically to resolve comments. Then when you finish the comment section, you can go to the software. The software will show you the links that you comment on. You can go to that link to check if the comment is up or not. Thank you for watching all the videos. And if you are interested in the software, you can contact me through the contact below. Goodbye and see you in the next video.